Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app if we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Babbel as we see and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your